Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome back to my 2-minute tip video, and in today's video what I'm about to show you is the hidden feature about the trackpad on your MacBook Pro or your MacBook Air. Whatever MacBook you're using, there's one hidden feature that not many users know about. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay guys, so this is what I'm about to show you. When you want to drag something, especially for example the folder, you want to drag the folder, what you have to do is to force touch on the trackpad and then you use one more finger, another finger to drag it, right? This is what you normally do. So what I mean is you use two fingers in order to drag something. One finger is to force touch on the trackpad and the other one is to move, so that you can move the file. By doing this is very slow if you're working on video or you edit video on the trackpad. That is one of the reasons why many people prefer to use Magic Mouse instead of the trackpad. But look at the magic. What I can do with this, I don't have to force touch it and use one more finger to drag it like this. Because when you force touch and then you use one more finger, it's very slow. So what I can do is to use my 3 finger, but do not force touch. Just place your 3 fingers on the trackpad, and then you can move the file now. As you can see, tap your trackpad with the 3 fingers, and then you can drag the folder. You can drag anything that you want. For example, if I want to drag this one around, the same. Just use your 3 finger. You drag it. It's very slow if you hold it and you do this, because your fingers seem to be, you have to move it like this. But with the 3 fingers placed on the trackpad, you already can move stuff. What you know about the trackpad is from the system preferences and trackpad, right? It is straightforward. You can see point and click, you can see scroll and zoom, you can get more gestures. However, the 3 fingers placed on the trackpad is not in this section. So in order to turn on the 3 fingers placed on the trackpad, in order to drag stuff or move stuff around, what you have to do is to go to accessibility. On your left here, scroll down to see the word mouse and trackpad. And then go with trackpad options, and then you have to make sure that you enable dragging, and the choice that you choose is 3 finger drag. Okay, so just click OK, and then now you're ready to go with your 3 fingers drag stuff around. Okay, so that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.